In this video, I show you where fault messages appear and how to clear them. I also show you what happens when a channel is forced into pause mode. In this video, I have disconnected the CT from channel 1. When the channel faults, it turns red, as shown here, and the faults icon is displayed. Click on the faults icon to bring up a list of active faults. Click on OK to hide this window. I am busy reconnecting the CT to the input now to fix the fault. Now that the fault is fixed, I can click on the fault icon again and clear the fault. Notice the fault icon disappears and the channel color returns to normal. If the channel is put into pause mode, the system will hold its current measured temperature from the moment it is paused. Unpausing it makes the system continue from where it was in the cycle when it was first paused. As you can see on the chart, the set point line matches the temperature when it paused and is held constant until it is unpaused again. Also, notice that the channel's background color is yellow as it is currently paused. Thank you for watching. Please check out the rest of the video tutorials on how to use the user-friendly HeatView software, or go to HeatView.ca and click on the Contact Us button if you need any more support.